Let's welcome back. We'll try to see a transactional process for subsequent free of charge in SAP S4 HANA 2020. Previous session I have explained about configuration. So like steps will be VA01 for sales order creation, VL01. Okay, after that VF01 is for billing. So like some goods, assume that it's got damaged, we'll create the return and return delivery, and after that we'll send new goods instead of raising a credit memo here. Generally in returns RE will comes here. Okay, so we'll send it back the after receiving the bad goods we'll send it back to him. Okay, let's come here. So let me try to show you. Okay, first we'll take VA01 with maybe like 10 bags. So VL01N with 10 bags and VF01 billing with 10 bags. Okay, so let's come here, SAP screen. Okay, so now we come here VA01. Let me take my document type S4, no problem. So let's try to check this one. So I'm just taking the sales order. This is the customer. Subsequent delivery free of charge. Example I'm just giving here. So let's try to check. So I'm just taking the 10 pieces as we said that. So let's come here, try to check, edit and complete log. Now document is completed. Let's save the sales order. Okay, now let's come here, VL01N. Okay, so let's try to check the delivery. Okay, let me go and VA02. So let's come to the schedulers. Okay, 10th it came. No delivery relevant items. Let's check the document flow. So, oh, I have taken the rush order actually. Let me take the sales order instead of OR. I need to take the OR actually. So let me take here. I have to choose in the wrong document. No issues. Let me take the 10 pieces. Let's save this. Now let's do the delivery. Okay, probably I will choose somewhere 12th. Okay, still it is not happening. Let's try to choose 20. Okay, let's come to the picking screen. Let's choose the storage location. So 10 we have chosen. Let's do the post goods issue. Okay, now we do the billing. So let me try to execute function of F8 from your keyboard. Let's save this. Okay, now let's come here VF02. Okay, so let's release this. So accounting document it is got created. Okay, this is fine. Go back. So let's try to check the doc flow. Okay, the standard order got created, and outbound delivery created, and invoice created. Let's try to check at item level this one. Now you can see this. So one bag means 5 pieces. I have ordered 10 bags, 10 pieces, 10 bags. 10 bags means 50 pieces. Okay. Assume that 2 bags got damaged. 2 bags actually got damaged. So what will happen? Generally, we'll do the return. Okay. Let's go back to our example. So this is, if I convert into 50 pieces, 50 pieces, 50 pieces. This is in pieces. Okay. This is in bags. Sales unit is bags actually. Okay. Let's keep the 10 here. So now let's try to think. 2 got damaged. 2 bag got damaged. Okay. So we have to do the return. Okay. With reference to billing, I'm just creating the return document. RE again VA01N. So now if you come back to the our slide, see, if you see VA01 with RB we're creating. So either you can go with this process or directly with sales order also you can able to create SD. But I am just in my company policy says that I would like to return the damaged goods. Then I will try to send the good goods instead of whatever it is got damaged. So here I need to pay it back, or else I can give the goods back to the customer which is got damaged. So subsequent process, subsequent, that means from previous step it is following. Okay. So let's try to go back to the SAP. So let's copy the invoice quickly. Okay. I'm just creating the return actually. So VA01. So let's take RE, go to the more sales document, create with reference. Okay. What is that? I'm just taking the billing document. Either billing document or sales order, you can able to create it. That I have already shown in my ECC courses as well as in S4 HANA. Let's copy this. So I'm just taking out this one. Okay. So let me try to, the screen adjustment is, I just need to take it. I'm just taking order reason. So this is for, I can take, this is somewhere like a customer recommendation. So whatever it is damaged, I'm choosing this reason. Okay. Because since it is damaged, you don't want it. So let me try to choose. Okay. So billing block I'm removing. Generally billing block will be there. Okay. On returns. So let's try to check incomplete log. All is well now. Okay. Return for 2 bags. I'm just giving for your understanding. Okay. In real time, you will have a customer reference number will be there. You cannot able to do it either sales order number or else some text, or else if it is coming from other system, that will be filled here. Okay. Let's try to save this now quickly. So I just don't want to return everything, just for only 2 bags. It is got damaged. Okay. So what exactly happens on returns? You can able to settle down this price back to your customer, or else you have to give it back the same amount of the stock which is got damaged with the new stock actually. So now let's come here. Okay, press enter. You can see this. return order. Okay, let's do the post goods receipt. Let's go back VA03 and let's try to check the document flow now. Okay, so we'll check item level. It will be gives clear understanding. You can see out of 50 pieces, 50 is means 10. 2 means 2 into 5, 10. 10 it is got, it's supposed to be written. If I give credit memo, then I'm paying back to my customer. On instead, I just wanted to give it the same set of goods for my customer. Okay, now let's go back to the slide. Till here you have finished it. Okay, now try to understand this VA01 with RE for SD. That means return order reference. Let's go back. First you try to check VA01. If I give SD, if I press enter, so because of my configuration, it is asking this one. Okay, let's try to copy. So it is got copied. Okay, or else you can able to take order reference also. $193. We'll do one thing, we'll take order reference. Okay, need not take this one. If you press this 193. Okay, you can take anything, returns or order. So already returns it is saying, so it is written, that's why it is saying this one. Okay, so let's try to do this thing. Okay, so this is the place where so your written and the KLM should be copied. Let me try to show you something here. Okay, suppose if you come here, subsequent free of charge. Okay, if you press enter, if you try to copy this item, so a line item won't be copied. What could be the reason? Let me try to show you this. Okay, let's go back. Okay, press enter. You take the same order, item level, you can able to clearly see this. Okay, so this button is disabled because this quantity you already utilized it for return delivery. Let me try to show you something here. When you would like to create it, this is the most important step. If you go to VA02 of return delivery, okay, so let's come to the reason for rejection. Okay, because you can this is order reason, sorry, you come here, reason for rejection, come here. So like this one you can able to choose this one. I'll try to show you here. Different reasons will be there. Let me try to choose this. This is poor quality. Okay, let's save this. It is asking, no problem, already exists. Okay, now let's try to create a subsequent free of charge delivery. So either a return delivery, that means we have taken and after that you have to reject this one. Okay, then only it will allow to copy. See, there is something called advanced. Okay, SDF. There is something called advanced. There is one more document type is there, RE2. With that automatically we can able to create it, but if time permits I will show you in future. As of now, let's try to understand this. Okay, so like for what reason you are creating this one. Okay, order reason that you choose like how you are sending. Okay, this is customer recommendation, right? Let's try to save this. If you see this net value, that means whatever the two bags. Okay, so again is that value. For zero value you are sending the good goods to your customer. Let's do this. Okay, let's press enter. So just picking the goods from your inventory, whatever it is got damaged, against that you are sending back to your customer. There is no billing here. Okay, now let's try to check 193. It is got created, right? So earlier, let's try to see the doc flow. You can able to see everything. So let me try to check doc flow, view item level. You can see this. So actually how many? 50 pieces. That means 10 packs you ordered. So how much you delivered? Delivered. Picked and delivered. Okay, how much you invoice? In invoice. Later you came to know that two bags got damaged. 2 into 5, 10. Okay, you taken the return back. Once you returned, so you don't want to take the money back to your customer. So you have an agreement, like, if anything got damaged from your customer said recommendation, what is the customer recommendation? You want the same two pieces back to him. So that's why we are creating subsequent free of charge delivery. So then we did the delivery and billing. So anyhow, we collected the amount here for all so pieces. So there is no problem. Okay, let's try to come back here. What you have done: written order, written delivery. Okay, so and after that, rejected line. Okay, again you created subsequent order with SD, and you given back the damaged goods. Here what you have done, so you rejected, right? So now building this one, this is the one. Okay, for two pieces. So what you did, you returned the two pieces back. This is how you can able to play with the system for subsequent free of charge. The same thing we can able to automate it, as we can able to do this in standard itself. Okay, as for HANA it is possible, or ECC it is possible. There is something called advanced returns. Okay, so that's it. Subsequent free of charge. If time permits, we'll see that. Okay, let me try to go back. So this is my YouTube channel. So these are the one update, like, currently I'm having 2000, almost 2415 students till today. So these are the full-fledged course on SD available 70 hours, and pricing, and a few courses on S4 HANA 1909 and 2020 not much differs, except few updates. So, like, if you are not at subscribed, you can able to subscribe all these courses. Thank you very much. Have a great day.